All right, y'all, we ready to eat some breakfast. We fixing to cook some, what we cooking?
Pancakes.
Cool, y'all. Three different pancakes. And what we're gonna put on the pancakes?
Chocolate chips, maybe blueberries.
And we got this new stuff, snickerdoodles. Can you say snickerdoodles backwards?
No.
I can't either. But we're gonna make some pancakes and put it on there. It's gonna be great, delicious, super good. Here we go, y'all.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
All right, y'all, we fixed to start cooking these pancakes. First thing we need to do is put exactly enough in here. That looks pretty good. Close the lid. All right, now we gotta add some water in here, and I'll mix everything. Did y'all see that bug go in there?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, we got a bug in the flour. I don't mind eating bugs, but Cassie says she don't like them in her pancake. So we got the bug out. They got bugs in everything. Well, not that kind of bugs, but
How much is exactly enough?
just the perfect amount. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We done choked us.
They're too close together.
They're too close together. Oh, I hate it when you're right all the time. Uh-oh.
Do you need me to help you?
Yeah, just tell me what to do and I'll be all right. That's it? Think it'll work now?
Yeah,
Okay,
maybe.
maybe. Oh, I better put it in here. Oh, yeah. Probably gonna need more water. Well, you need to get this the right consistency. And once you do that, you can use basically any kind of pancake mix you want. But this is just the way we do it, you know. This is what we like. Do what you like. It's just that make it simple, make it easy. All right, y'all, we got one more ingredient to fix. This is the secret weapon right here. This is what makes it really taste good, vanilla. Just straight old vanilla. I put exactly that much in there and then a little more. And it works best every time like that. Okay, all right, we're gonna mix it a little more and we'll be ready to start cooking.
I saw a bug in there.
Huh?
I saw a bug in there while you were mixing it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, a black thing.
I got it out, didn't I?
No.
We'll find it. Apparently Cassidy don't like bugs in her pancake mix. We out here and we cook frogs and stuff like that, and you eat frogs, and frogs eat bugs. So basically you eating a bug when you eat a frog, right? Now that is pretty, ain't it? All right, let me get over here and grease the griddle for her. Make sure these pancakes don't stick. And then I'm gonna get out the way. She is real good at this. She's been cooking pancakes for probably 3 years now, 4 years. We always outside. Once in a while we use the E-series, and when it's bad weather we'll cook in here. So she's gonna drop some blueberries on one of them.
I do not like blueberries.
All right, Pops, I eat that one because it's looking real pretty. You do eat chocolate, huh?
Yes.
Ooh, we got some chocolate chips. Oh, you like lots of chocolate. I might have to eat that one too. All right. That was your chocolate. Now what else we got?
Snickerdoodle.
Can you open it? Put a little more on there. Because Pop's gonna eat that one. All right, that's good. Yay, yay, yay. We're letting the little bubbles pop up, and look how pretty they are. Now you tell me this ain't a Pancake Pro? All right.
I need a plate.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Hang on, let me get some more oil on this thing. We're gonna show y'all what Miss Kissie's fixing to do here.
It's a very big pancake. I guess we're gonna put a little bit of everything in it.
Oh.
It's gonna be a little bit smaller than the biggest one I made because it's not that much batter. So we're gonna see how big it's gonna be.
All right. Do your deal. That is gonna be cool, ain't it? That's a big super duper. That is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Don't touch, because you burn your hand. You'll have to be careful. Okay, that's good. Now we gotta let that sit, and we're gonna put some fillings in there. I mean, this is what griddle cooking's about. Hanging out with your family, teaching the kids how to cook. And hey, she's been doing this since she was little. Little blackberries, blueberries, chocolate chips. We're gonna wait a little bit and put some snickerdoodles on here. See how the bubbles are popping and doing that? We're gonna wait till a lot of these bubbles get done. That means the inside of your cake is cooking, and it's cooking from the bottom up. So these bubbles indicate how much it's cooked. Well, this is Cassidy's flipping technique. I've never flipped one this big because I've never cooked a pancake this big. But Cassidy's been flipping these since she was, for the last 3, 4, 5 years maybe. So, show me your technique. Anything you got to tell us before you do it, make sure it's all done.
Okay, it should be good. It has to be like a golden brown.
Hey, I got an idea, Cassie.
Oh yeah.
That's a super size, extra. Shove it in there. Go ahead, give it horrible. You did it. Hey! High five. All right, y'all. That is a super duper pancake there, ain't it? We're gonna let it cook a few minutes. All right, baby, do it to it. Flip it over, and we're gonna put the little snickerdoodles on the other side. And dang! That's a real deal. Put your snickerdoodles on there, and we will be ready to snickerdoodle pancake. Got it. Here, Popsy, get it. I'm gonna set it over here. Oh, and y'all, one pancake will feed a whole family of 6. That's a monster pancake. I'm gonna put a little syrup on mine. Everybody likes them different ways. What you gonna do with yours?
I'm gonna try it by itself first.
By itself? I'm all with it. Oh, girl. I don't know who taught you how to cook pancakes, but you do an excellent job. Now, who taught you how to do this?
You apparently.
Oh! Yes, great job. Look at this, y'all. Just look into here. Got all the blueberries in here.
It's the size of a pizza.
I know. It's huge. Humongous. That's going in my mouth. Y'all, the main thing about this is just spend time with your family. Get out here and cook, eat, cut up. Spend time with your family. That's the main thing. Oh, you what?
Blueberry.
I know it's good, ain't it? Oh, you don't like blueberries? Well, that's why we cook different kinds of pancakes. Look at there, y'all. Oh. You don't have to eat no more, Pop will.
No, I like to.
Oh, okay. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. You like that?
I forgot about the syrup.
Pop's gonna give you this to bring home with you.
Okay.
And you can put it on your toast or pancakes, whatever you're cooking. All right?
Syrup.
So, remember, 100 million years from now, when Pop's gone, Pop give you your first bottle of seasoning, and it was snickerdoodles.
Okay.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator.